A beautiful morning to you. This is Ron Janish with AndrewsCourse.com. Today is the 11th of April, and the stock market in New York, has been open about 15 minutes. What I'm looking at here is a July soybean oil chart, and as you can obviously see, I have a long position in this one, and I have the median line drawn to the upside. Uh, the lesson for the day will be in the next chart, not in this one here. The in this One of the things that Andrews taught that's in the expanded course is that certain patterns suggest a reversal is coming, and sometimes they fail. Hey, it happens, and not often though. And so sometimes you get this double pattern, and it's really kind of neat. I call it a double trouble, and anyway, looks like we have one here, and it just means double trouble for the downtrend. That's all it means. So that's what I'm doing there. So I'd watch for a break to the upside next week. Other ones, this one here, I took profits this morning, got in somewhere down here, and this is the Australian dollar. There's a position I talked about in a previous video where I'm long the Australian dollar and short the New Zealand dollar, one of these Forex type things I rarely do, and that's doing rather well. That one I've got to kind of look and see. It may be on for a week or 2 weeks, or technically it could be on for months because of the present pattern. Anyway, so it is something to take a look at. Australian dollar over New Zealand dollar. Okay. Let's look at another one. Am I going to have a lesson in here somewhere? Where am I going to have it? Let's see. Mexican peso. Here's a weird little one. Okay, and we can see here that Mexican peso did its ABC here, right? So here you had your wave up and dot, dot, dot. There's your ABC. And so I draw my median line. Now take a look at this. Goes to the median line. Okay. Goes back down here. Wonderful buying opportunity. Goes up again. Notice it goes past the median line, closes past it. That's fine. And then comes back down and goes back up again. Now my thinking is that this move here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, has 5 waves up and is getting rather tired. And as you can see, I'm on the short side here, and that it's time for a down move. So what's interesting here is even though you may not trade the Mexican peso, is you may hear something in the news about Mexico and NAFTA being impacted by this. So if we get some horrendous event happening in the next week or 2 or 3, you'll probably remember this. Anyway, so if you're interested in looking at past forecasts with Andrew's course, just go to andrewscourse.com/news. There's no more openings for the cruise, which is taking off in about a week and a half or so. And if you want to get in on the expanded course, you better do it soon. So I thank you for your time and see you next time.